Hello students, welcome to We Need Tamil Nadu. So today I'm going to give you a September's plan because by the time you are in August, you would have already decided what are the things that you're supposed to do, but due to any XYZ reason, you might have not completed your syllabus that you planned in the month of August. So today is Teachers Day and I thought on Teachers Day, let me give something special to my students. I'm going to give you a September plans. See, I know for most of the state board students, quarterly exam is going to come from 10th September. Now you will already be preparing for some chapters, right? So those chapters you can include in your September's plan, and how better you can make it is what I'm going to tell in this video. Now, first and the foremost thing that I want all of you to listen is, most of your order of chapters, way of studying, batches, coaching, everything will be different. But there is few ways how you can actually select your chapters, how you can divide your chapters for the month of September. Now, most of you know if you're a topper student, if you're an average student, or ma'am, I'm a slow learner. Depending on that also, I want, according to your capacity, I want you to alter this timetable. So if you are ready, let's directly get into the video. So today is Teachers Day plus Onam, so it's a very special day. So I thought, okay, let me give you all something very special. So September's plan is here for all of you. So most of you are not sharing the video, not liking the video, so I feel very bad for it. So quickly smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Now students, let's see. Rule 1. Each week, how you are going to select the chapter. அது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Okay, every week how you're selecting the chapter is very important. See, first you select EC chapter, one EC chapter, one medium chapter, one difficult chapter, so it does not become an overburden for you. Now let's say what students do, they take one genetics unit. Now genetics unit, all the 3 chapters are a little chapter that which requires extra additional help, so it is not possible for you to cover. So what I want all of you to do is select one easy chapter, one medium chapter, one difficult chapter, and depending upon your capacity, that ma'am, I am a fast learner, I can actually learn more chapters compared to other person, I am a slow learner, I'm an average student. So depending on that, I want you to alter it. See, let's say you are a student who can do 3 chapters in a week. Okay, 3 chapters in a week. That means I'm telling, select 1 chapter of physics, 1 chapter of biology, 1 chapter of chemistry. In 1 week, you might be able to complete 4 chapters. There are students who complete 5 chapters. There are students who are like droppers, who have entire day, so they can complete multiple chapters. But I want you to select 1 easy, 1 medium, 1 difficult chapter. And depending on your capacity, you're a fast learner, you do 3 chapters per week. If you're a slow learner, you do 2 chapters per week. And whatever backlog is coming, you keep it for the Saturday. Now let's say you're a student who is starting now. Okay, then I will give you an order of chapters. So week 1, now we are already on September 5th, so we have 2 days left of the week. I am assuming that you have done something in the previous week. So here, physics units and dimensions chapter in a start panniko. Adaparama motion in a straight line. Okay, motion in a straight line. So here, kinematics basically. Okay, then chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, biology, the living world, biological classification, plant kingdom. The first 3 chapters we have selected. Now the order of chapters can vary, but the task that you have to complete has to be the same. Ma'am, in the chapters ella nan complete panniyachu ma'am, so I will take new chapter. It's fine. Take new chapters, ana idu romba mukkiyam. Task romba mukkiyam. Task correcta complete pananum. So first vanduchu, make NCERT line by line notes for biology. So whenever you are watching my lectures, whenever you are watching any lectures, I want you to underline NCERT line by line. Whatever the teacher is telling, additionally, I want you to write it with the help of a small, like that color sticky note. No, with the help of sticky note, I want you to all write it out. Then 50 PYQs of physics, chemistry basis. Basics of this, you're going to solve 50 MCQs. 50 MCQs means what? 25 questions from each chapter. You can take a mix of it. You can take some difficult, some easy. It is up to you. Okay, then you revise diagrams daily, especially for plant kingdom. Life cycles are very important, so you have to revise the life cycles again, because there are, many of the times we tend to forget it. So this is your 1 week plan. Week 2, motion in a plane, laws of motion, chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structures, biology, animal kingdom, very high weighted chapters, around 5 questions come, so 20 marks, morphology of flowering plants. Now task, practice 80 to 100 numericals in laws of motion. Now 80 to 100 is a very huge number. Ma'am, I cannot do that much. You cut it down. Make it 30 to 50. I told you that you have to do progression. You shouldn't do reverse progression. Every day if you're saying first day you solve 10 MCQs, next day you have to solve 20 MCQs. There is no excuse for that. If you don't learn that progression method, I'm telling you, every topper has told me this, that ma'am, first I used to solve 50, then I used to solve 100. There are people who do it, and it's the truth. Okay, so 80 to 100 might not be possible for you. So start with 20, then go to 30. But you have to solve at least 20, 30, not like 5, how we used to do for boards. No, 5 questions we'll do, the entire question paper will be the same. That will not happen. Focus on exceptions in animal kingdom. Animal kingdom tricks I'm giving you every day. Definitely see, in my trick, I'm giving you focused on 4 to 5 examples, okay? Because according to NTA, at least 2 to 3 examples you have to know. Depending on that, questions will come. So let's say you know my trick, plus you're solving PYQs, you will automatically remember all the exceptions in animal kingdom. Then students, daily 20 MCQs of bio, 20 MCQs of chemistry. So here you can see what is the task. If you're solving physics in one way, I'm giving you another way to put MCQs of biology and chemistry. Previously, you were solving biology, so I gave you MCQs of chemistry and physics, like that. Every task is very focused, very, thought process have been gone into this, that okay, I have to do something in such a way that student comes in a flow. So, everything I'm saying in this video is very important for all of you. Now, week 3, physics, work, energy, power. Now, rotational motion, chemistry, states of matter, thermodynamics, anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals, you have to study animal tissues and you have to study frog and cockroach, because till now they have not told cockroach is deleted. They have put frog bracket insect. Insect means it's cockroach. It cannot be an earthworm. Earthworm is an annelid. So, it has to be cockroach. Clear? So here task is going to be NCERT highlighting for anatomy diagrams. Anatomy diagrams are very important. It can give you 3 questions, so it's very important chapter. You cannot miss it. So every day you have to go through the diagrams. If not every day, 3, 2, 1 cycle you follow. First day you finish, third day you revise, 2 weeks later, 1 month later. 40 to 50 thermodynamics numericals. So wherever numericals is coming, I have kept a very high number of numericals. Why? Because those chapters directly numerical questions only will come. Now you don't have to solve 40 new questions. You can solve PYQs plus some difficult question, maybe JE question, JE mains question, or PYQ question, or from some objective books you can solve, from Tattva you can solve, like that you have to solve. Then mix of 60 PYQs of what? Physics and chemistry. Why I didn't take biology? Because you have already done NCERT highlighting of anatomy chapter. Structural organization is very easy chapter. Okay, even if you solve 10 PYQs, you'll be able to solve all the questions from this chapter. Next, last week of September. Students, I don't want any of you to come to this channel on the last week of September and tell me, ma'am, can you please give us a plan? I'm already giving you plan in the first week of September. Please follow it. If you are a student who is not going for coaching, not into in any batch, then please stick to this timetable that I've given you. If you're a part of coaching, if you're a part of any batch, follow the batch timetable, insert the batch timetable chapters here, and then you do the task every day. Do the task every day. Most of you, after coaching, you will not open your book. I don't want you to do that, because NEET is not something that is easy. But it is possible. It is not impossible. You have all the facilities now. When so much facilities are there, why don't you take advantage of it? I am here to tell you every day that do this, do that. Right? I will also start taking classes, but I want from all of you that which chapter you want, what are you facing difficulty in. So that is what I am waiting for. Biology, the cell, the unit of life, and biomolecules. So in order we are going, okay? Task. Write short notes for equilibrium formulas. Equilibrium formulas are very, very important. So you have to write formula sheet for it. So inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and physical chemistry has to be dealt in 3 different ways. I have already told you this. Now revise all NCERT diagrams of cell chapter. Again, very important. All the organelles are important. Biomolecules also. All the structures are very, very important. All these structures will be same way copy pasted in your molecular basis of inheritance. So it's very important. 1 full syllabus mock test. Now, when I say 1 full syllabus mock test, I do not mean you write entire NEET portion in the test. Select the chapters that you have studied and make a mock test. Now, how do I make a mock test, ma'am? Let's say you don't have access to any coaching, anything. Okay. Now, in our batches, we give them an option of making their own test, create your own test. In that, they can select the chapters that they have prepared, and automatically the AI will, or let's say the app itself will create a test for them. Now you do not have access to that, don't have to worry. You have book, no? Some PYQ book you have, no? Take scan of first 15 questions from all the chapters that you have studied. First 15 or other way around. First 15 I know, ma'am, next 15 you want to do. Take Xerox of it. Okay, take Xerox of it and pin it like a question paper and sit for 3 hours. Exactly 3 hours and complete these chapters. I am telling you, students, if you follow this, and next month I will give you next month plan. If you follow this, I can guarantee you that you will complete your syllabus. At the same time, you will have formula sheet. At the same time, you will have diagram. You will know all your diagrams. And at the last, you will also know how to solve questions. But if you are not going to follow this, then wait for next month to search that, ma'am, next month, please help me. Every minute that you have is very precious. If this time you do not do it, next time it's going to be another drop year. Why do you want to take another drop year? You're all capable. You're all excellent students. You're all smart. You're all lovable. You all have so much gratitude and love for your teachers. Why would you take one more year of drop? I don't want any of you to take one more year of drop. I told you when I started this channel also, one mission was there that you shouldn't take a drop. Whatever I can help you with that, I will help you with that. Subject wise, how much I can help you, I will do it. Other whatever I'm listening from people, from toppers, I'm trying to put that in video form. So I want all of your support on this. Okay, because such kind of videos should go to many people and it should help many people. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. If you're first time watching me, quickly subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu. This is a small channel that is growing because of your support. I want all of you to shower more love and more blessing. And today's Teachers Day, and the best gift that you can give me is that hitting that subscribe button and also liking on this video and putting a lot of hearts or whatever you want to tell for me, okay, on today, because it's a very special day. Please drop it down in the comments. And thank you so much, students. I love you all and you people are awesome. Just keep going, just keep moving. Your dream is very closer. On this Teachers Day, I wish all my beautiful children, all my beautiful kids who made me what I am today, a great day ahead, a great year ahead, and let's together fight for our dreams. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.